K7 Kabaddi Stage Up Tournaments Super 6. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on court the team Bhaini School. So next team, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on court the team Narwal Kabaddi and Esports Academy.
Good afternoon and welcome to the second clash of the Super 6. We have the Bhaini School playing against the Narwal Kabaddi and Sports Academy. Bhaini is from Pool A. They came third in Pool A and they will be playing against Narwal Kabaddi who was second in Pool B. As we line up, we should be looking forward to a very exciting game. As we set up, let me take you through the playing 7. The Bhaini School is going with a very set level 7. They have Mohit, who will be lead raider, with Kismat and Nitin supporting. In their covers, they have Jaideep and Sachin. The two covers are likely to take on the very strong duties. Bhaini is one of those teams with a set corner combination. Both Vikash and Monu have played together before. And as we line up, the Narwal Kabaddi. So the Narwal Kabaddi has a very interesting position. Their lead raider Manjeet got slightly injured after the first game, if I remember right. And you know, their support rating in both Nitin and Manish Gulia have had off and on games. They both look pretty good in patches. There's a Monu on this side also playing in the corner. They have a new player in Randeep who came in as an injury replacement along with Mohit and Nitin Kumar Nitins. There's another very good innovation that we are bringing to you for the Super 6, which is live on FanCode, and for this game there would be a review system in place. Teams are allowed one successful review, one unsuccessful review each. If they have a successful review, they can continue to keep taking reviews. As someone following the sport very closely, you would notice Manjeet has had a very strong season. He had a success rate of 64%, which probably is the number you should be looking at, not just the total rate points. Manjeet gets used enough and delivers a lot of value. At the same time, we have Randeep, who's coming into this tournament as an all-rounder. He's gotten 33 points and has a very good average out rate. Often as a analyst for a team, you need to be looking at the out rates of performances. On the other side, you have Mohit, who's probably got double the points that Manjeet has in the same number of games. In more games, because Manjeet actually never played the entire 8 games. But Mohit is probably going to be the player to watch out for, especially with that strike rate of his. Can he deliver at that strike rate with that many number of raids? You will have a very interesting match in front of you, right? Again, we come back to Randeep as I was speaking. His tackle success rate is probably a very valuable one to look at. Mohit has got 153 rate points over the course of the K7 tournament, just the K7 stage up. What has been very exciting to watch for the Bhaini is that once Meetu was injured and out for a few games, Mohit took on the raiding responsibility completely, stepped into that role of a lead raider, took it on with aplomb, and He's starting every game and holding his team together. I'm Arvind Shivdas. Welcome to your afternoon session. Get some tea, get some coffee, sit down, and enjoy this fantastic game of Kabaddi coming to you. It's the second game of the Super 6 of the K7 Kabaddi. The K7 Kabaddi is really this platform which was meant to give these young lads a fantastic opportunity. And as we speak, Mohit starts off. Mohit starts off his raiding responsibility and starts with an empty raid, setting up to do well. And as you were waiting and getting bored with my solo voice, I'm inviting Aparna to join me. Aparna, as you would all know already, is a physio. She's also our lead operations, does commentary, does a lot of things at Kabaddi Adda. Welcome, Aparna.
Hi, thank you so much, Arvind. It's going to be ये मैच बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि पूल ए के वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टीम्स भैनी और वहीं दूसरी तरफ पूल बी की वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टीम्स नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी दोनों टीम्स। और जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे पूल ए और बी में देख रहे हैं कि दो खिलाड़ी को हमें इंजरी के बेसिस पे चेंज करने का इनको मौका मिला था, तो दो खिलाड़ी दोनों ही टीम में। नरवाल कबड्डी में एक खिलाड़ी नया आया है टिंकू, और भैनी स्कूल में 2 खिलाड़ी, मीतू के रिप्लेसमेंट में एक आया है। और यहाँ पे एक शानदार टैकल देखने को मिला हमें जयदीप के द्वारा।
Aparna, I believe this contest is going to be one of the raiders, but the way it is started in a slow note, it seems to be the defenders who will have to play a strong role. The Bhaini school is on your right in blue. Very well timed tackle by the corners. The corners of Narwal Sports have come together to take down the lead raider of the Bhaini school. Left corner putting in the tackle, right corner coming in, making sure the dangling hand doesn't get over.
और यहाँ पे मंजीत आ गए हैं। अरविंद, मैं आपको बता दूँ, मंजीत एक ऐसे खिलाड़ी अपनी टीम के लिए, जब वो टीम में थे, जब इंजरी से पहले उन्होंने लगातार बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स लिए थे और फिर कुछ टाइम के लिए वो मैच से बाहर गए थे। और लेकिन यहाँ पे मंजीत को, अरविंद आप कह रहे थे कि ये जो मैच होने वाला है वो रेडर्स ओरिएंटेड होने वाला है, लेकिन यहाँ तो लगातार हमें बार बार डिफेंस ही शानदार डिफेंस करते हुए नज़र आ रहे हैं। दोनों ही टीम के डिफेंस, रेडर्स ने अभी तक कोई भी पॉइंट नहीं लिया है।
One of the things I had seen very well executed by the Bhaini school in the K7 qualifiers was a very strong and tight defense. The Narwal Kabaddi we saw putting in a very strong performance also in the Pool A of the qualifiers. In the stage-up tournament they played in Pool B, their defense wasn't working as well as it is working right now. This is a long game, we've just started, but if the Narwal Kabaddi team can hold their defense working in this synchronicity, I think we have a cracker of a match in our end. Another fantastic tackle. That looked like a successful tackle. What do you think, Aparna?
हमें देखने में तो ये लगा कि सक्सेसफुल टैकल है, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे रेफरीज और ऑफिशियल्स मिलके यहाँ पे डिसाइड करेंगे कि क्या यहाँ पे रेडर आउट हुआ है या डिफेंडर। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि ऑफिशियल्स का जो डिसीजन होता है वो ही अंतिम डिसीजन होता है। और यहाँ पे रेडर को सेव दे दिया गया है। देखिए जिस तरीके से यहाँ पे रेडर आए थे, किक का इस्तेमाल किया था, नहीं हुआ, हैंड टच किया, लेकिन जाते जाते उन्होंने पॉइंट ले लिया नितिन ने।
Aparna, there seems to be a little bit of a confusion. So I thought the raider did step into the lobby, right? If the raider is successful and then he stepped into the lobby, so that means jersey number 4 also should be out. It looks a little surprising that Vikas wasn't given out and only the left corner Monu was given out. And as I speak, Mohit Goyat goes to the bench again. This is the raid, Aparna, that I was talking about. See, the raider has stepped into the lobby. This would have been a very good opportunity for the team to take their review and make sure to get the raider also out. As you see, we have Deepak Nivas Hooda, Khokar sir, and Anup sir, who runs the Future Fighter Kabaddi Academy, all watching the game very closely.
अरविंद, इफ यू सी कि एक तरफ अनूप सर अपने कोच के साथ है और दूसरी तरफ दीपक निवास हुडा वो अपने कोच जगमाल सर के साथ हैं, तो दोनों गुरु अपने दो शिष्यों के साथ यहाँ पे बैठे हुए इन यंग किड्स जो यहाँ पे यंग प्लेयर्स हैं जो यहाँ पे अपना परफॉर्मेंस दिखा रहे हैं उस गेम का मज़ा ले रहे हैं.
Thank you, Aparna, for that insight. I did not realize that that is Jagmal sir, who also coached Deepak Nivas Hooda through his early formative years. I think he is also coaching the DNH Foundation. So for him, it's important to watch how the teams are playing today. This platform that you've created through the K7 is one for the young stars to make their coach's name popular. As you see, this is the Super 6 match. We are in the second match of the Super 6. First match was a cracking thriller where the DNH Foundation lost to the NK Academy, who were the pool toppers. This is going to be Pool A third place team versus the Pool B second place team. Narwal Sports was second in the Pool B and Vaini were third in Pool A.
किस्मत, यहाँ पे किस्मत अभी भैनी स्कूल की किस्मत लेकर चल रहे हैं. पूल ए के लास्ट मैच के टाइम पे मेरी मोहित से जब बात हुई थी तो मोहित बता रहे थे कि मीतू का टीम में ना होना इंजरी की वजह से किस्मत के लिए वो उसकी एक अच्छी किस्मत थी कि वो वहाँ पे अपना गेम दिखा पा रहे थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे मनीष गुलिया को बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से 4 के डिफेंस में रेडर के लिए थोड़ी तो मुश्किल होती है, लेकिन यहाँ पे इस समय पे डिफेंस दोनों ही टीम का बहुत ही कड़ाकेदार चल रहा है.
Aparna, we have always seen Jaideep do this, right? In the junior nationals, you've seen him do this at the Gotegaon tournament. He's a very effective defender when there are fewer players on mat. Very dangerous against all kinds of raiders. Usi time pe Nitin gets tackled on the other side. One challenge the Bahini is facing is that their raiders aren't able to get any points. Wo dekho, just ran into the hands of the waiting left corner. Manjeet is back raiding. What do you think? Do you think Manjeet can turn around the fortune of Raiders in this game, or will this continue to be a defense-dominated game, Aparna?
आई थिंक मंजीत इस गेम को चेंज कर सकते हैं. मंजीत क्योंकि अभी पूल बी में खेलते हुए आए हैं और एक फ्लो में चल रहे हैं इस टाइम पे, जबकि पूल ए को 5 दिन का ब्रेक मिला था और ब्रेक में मुझे ये चीज़ सुनने को मिली थी कि उनको प्रैक्टिस करने का मौका नहीं मिला बारिश के कारण. तो पूल बी इस समय पे एक फ्लो में है और वो फ्लो मुझे लगता है कि उनके लिए पॉजिटिव साइन है यहाँ पे.
The other way to look at it, Aparna, is that the Pool A teams managed to get that 5 days off. But as we are seeing till now, it is a Pool B team that is looking in flow. Their defenses seem to be working. It took the Narwal Kabaddi 5 days of playing 8 games to get their defense in order. And you're seeing that today. They have taken out Mohit from the game completely. So Bahini is definitely struggling in the absence of Mohit not delivering points as a raider. Can the Narwal Kabaddi hold this together? You know, Nitin Kumar is raiding and expecting him to snatch a point against this really strong Bahini defense when there are 4 men on the mat is not going to be easy. किस्मत आ गए हैं अपना किस्मत बढ़ाने.
जी बिल्कुल, किस्मत आ गए हैं और इस समय पे वो डू और डाई रेड पे खेलना चाह रहे हैं. और इसी के साथ डू और डाई शुरू हो गया है नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स अकेडमी के लिए. देखिए 4 की डिफेंस में एक और बार वही भैनी स्कूल की टीम और वही डिफेंस. जयदीप सामने से आए लेफ्ट कॉर्नर से और ब्लॉक किया. उसके साथ उनको पूरी टीम का सपोर्ट मिला और भैनी स्कूल, अरविंद देखिए बहनी स्कूल के लिए भी ये डू और डाई रेड था, लेकिन किस्मत ने अपनी किस्मत दिखाई और शानदार किक के साथ लेफ्ट कॉर्नर को मैट से बाहर किया है किस्मत ने.
Aparna, it's often a good defensive tackle which the Bahini school put in when they were down to 4 men, and then a quick raid by Kismat You know that this is what I was talking about. The Narwal Sports needing to keep their tight defense through an entire game is not an easy thing to do. They have to take that responsibility. The defense has to stand up and be counted. If they make errors like they did with Kismat, a raider like Mohit is going to run through them in the one chance they give him. Ooh, that was millimeters. I think Manjeet just missed the midline by so little. I would love to see that replay, Aparna. I think his leg just missed the midline there. Great block by the covers. Ooh. Ooh. If you're a raider and you see this, you say, if only.
If only, exactly. So close and yet so far. एक और बार फिर से इन्होंने मोहित को बाहर भेज दिया है. आई थिंक नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स अकेडमी अपनी पूरी प्लानिंग के साथ आए हैं कि मोहित को इनको मैट से बाहर कैसे रखना है.
They have come with a plan, but Mohit definitely made a big error there. He ran into the waiting defense. The covers had not blocked their area properly. Mohit should have tried a jump. There was a time for a dubki. It is a kind of position where he could have attacked and gotten a point through, right? Now getting tackled there was... Ooh!
How many points?
Is that 1 point or is that 2? I would think that the raider crossed before the right corner put in his hand. Let's take a look. He caught. Oh. This was a mistake by Jaideep. After he got the ankle hold, letting it go, just as the right corner came in. You know, they lost their two main defenders, Jaideep and Monu together. So Jaideep, Monu and Mohit Goyat are all on the bench. Can Kismat
Change the kismet.
change their Kismat?
Exactly.
Look, Abhi Vikash in left corner is still there. They still have a strong defender on mat in Vikash and in their right cover Sachin. So with their left corner and right cover on the mat, I would think Benny will still be trusting themselves to get the points if in a super tackle situation. And if you are Narwal Sports, you are not going to be very confident right now saying, okay, I have this in my hand.
दिस इज नितिन जो अभी भैनी स्कूल में नए ऐड हुए हैं. ये नए प्लेयर हैं. K7 क्वालिफायर्स में भी कहीं इनको हमने नहीं देखा है, लेकिन जूनियर नेशनल में हमने इनको ज़रूर खेलते हुए देखा है.
It's really good what this platform K7 is offering all these young athletes, Aparna, giving them this opportunity to showcase their talent. And as we noticed with the Pro Kabaddi League auction being announced and coming up, these players will all be looking forward to showcasing their talent. They will look forward to the top scouts from teams looking for them. And as we speak, Nitin Kumar from Narwal Kabaddi has broken through the defense of the Bhaini school. I think Kismat made the error there by stepping in and not getting the block. You know, we saw Sachin making sure he blocked the straight line to the midline. He did a good job there. But Kismat, who was next to Sachin, should have kept the block going for the other defenders to step in. This is now down to two people. They have given a bonus off to Nitin, and now will the Narwal Kabaddi make a mistake, or will Nitin be able to go back and try to stop the defense, stop the raiders? Manjeet is in raiding. They still have their left corner Vikash on mat. I would believe that Vikash can put in a solid super tackle. And a fantastic cartwheel back. An error from Vikash. Manjeet induced that error. I would give Manjeet a lot of credit. Look at that. He attacked the other corner, attacked the raider, forced Vikash to come in. And as he saw Vikash come in, stopped and turned quickly. And then cartwheeled back. I think that cartwheel is a celebration saying, I have this all out. And his team has supported him and given him that all out. It's an all out well earned.
ये तो क्लियर हो चुका है कि नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी पूरी तैयारी के साथ आए हैं. यहाँ पे लगातार जिस तरीके से डिफेंस उनका चल रहा था और रेडर्स भी पॉइंट्स लेकर आ रहे थे, और उसी के साथ अगर आप देखें उन्होंने ये चीज़ का तो ध्यान रखा था कि भैनी स्कूल के रेडर्स को वो पॉइंट नहीं देना चाह रहे थे. उन्होंने बिल्कुल भी पॉइंट नहीं दिया. नरवाल के जो सेकंड रेडर हैं नितिन, उन्होंने भी इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखा था कि वो कहीं पॉइंट दे ना दे.
You know, I've seen the Behni school already ringing in a change. Substituting out Nitin for Sahil seems like a move fraught with necessity. With Mohit not firing, if you're the coach, it is a very tough situation. You need to throw in another raider. You need to send out the raiders, hope that raiders get points. When you're trailing by a big margin, Aparna, often it's really tough to catch up unless your raiders really come to the party, right? And you only need your raiders to get those single points. That's good enough. But pushing your opposition to all out is very tough, doing it only through defense. The only way the Behni school can come back into this game quickly is through by pushing this team into an all out.
ऑल आउट के बाद पहला रेड, मनीष गुलिया आ गए हैं रेड पर. देखिए काफ़ी एडवांस खेल रही है बहनी स्कूल की टीम. जयदीप यहाँ पे कवर से आए और शानदार तरीके से टैकल किया. जयदीप को हम बार बार देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे वो टैकल अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं.
If you look at that previous all out, Aparna, it really happened when Jaideep and Monu went onto the bench. For Behni, it is very important that Jaideep and Monu continue their form. They don't make the errors. They put in the tackles also at the same time. With Mohit not firing, and it becomes important for them to be able to get points in defense. Sahil, who just came in as a substitute, is sent out to raid. Let's see if Sahil has a different fortune from what Mohit had. The important thing for the Narwal Sports to do now is not use their left raiders as much. Jaideep in left cover is lethal against almost every left raider I have seen across the junior nationals, even across the K7 stage up matches. So it will be important that Manjeet takes on much more of the raiding duties. Manish Gulia is going to get negated very often in this game with Jaideep attacking him. Between the two covers, I would think Sachin is not necessarily dominating the right raiders as much. If Sachin also can start dominating the right raiders, the pressure on the team will be significant. These sort of errors are just not done. You know, when you're holding our defense together, Mohit got a touch. That touch was good, but there was absolutely no reason for the right corner to come in and attempt that tackle. It was a nothing tackle, Aparna. You cannot be doing that against a player of the quality of Mohit, right?
And that too so close. आप इतना एडवांस जा रहे हैं और यहाँ पे बहुत ही पास थे. देखिए नितिन कितने पास गए, लेकिन
See, this is the exact same tackle that Jaideep did on Nitin the previous time when both Jaideep and Monu went onto the bench. Look at this tackle. Look at how close he is to midline. Very high risk move. When Jaideep does something like this, the fact that his two corners came in to support him is credible, but it was a very ambitious tackle. Nitin had, that is an error. That is a massive error. In a super tackle situation, giving out two players.
I think
What do you think is happening, Aparna? Are they asking for all three? It looked like just two players out. I would love to see the replay right now. Lot of tension on all sides. Manjeet is still on the mat. And we have the replay coming in. There, Manjeet has stepped out. Oh, no, but he's not. He stepped out after the first touch. So I think the argument is Manjeet out or not? I think Manjeet really stepped out. Ooh. This is where I will take a review if I am the coach. Because it is Manjeet. It is worth taking that review. By taking that review, one of the big things they will achieve is get their raiders back. I'm actually very surprised that the Narwal Sports did not take a review then. If you look closely at that replay, you will notice that, see this. There's Manjeet, he's not stepped out, he's touched and then he steps out.
correct.
This is the kind of time when you should be taking reviews. I think the coaches are retaining their reviews for critical moments. But I would think this is a critical moment because you've got those two players. And Manjit could have attempted to revive his team on his raid, right? Finally, it is still your best raider on mat. And he is a right raider. I know he's not had a great game yet, but it was a moment where you could have considered taking the review, Aparna.
यस ऑफ कोर्स वो ले सकते थे, लेकिन अभी क्योंकि ये मैच का पहला हाफ ही है और अभी पूरा मैच उनके हाथ में है सामने, हो सकता है कि उनको कॉन्फिडेंस हो कि ये सिचुएशन में वो कर लेंगे और आगे उनको इस रिव्यू की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। लेकिन यहाँ पे लेफ्ट कॉर्नर से जर्सी नंबर 3 में विकास ने मंजीत को शानदार एंगल होल्ड, एक पकड़ जो क्लच उन्होंने ये बनाया, और उसके बाद वहाँ पे जयदीप भी इस डिफेंस में सपोर्ट करने आए थे उनको। बेस्ट रेडर को मैच से बाहर किया है इस समय पर।
When you see this raid, you think it may have been a good idea to not take that review. I can't imagine Manjit pulling off much. But at this point, the Benny is doing one thing which we saw them do before, right? Which is play on their defense. Make sure that once Mohit got them their couple of points, got them close, they're making sure that their defense comes to the party. As I speak about their defense, I see Vikas has jumped into the Raiders, and I've seen Vikas do this a lot. He's one of those active defenders. He follows the Raider. He's following the Raider right there. With him following the Raider at that pace, you would expect that the right corner will also come in and attack the Raider. That's when you get a fantastic tackle. It's a really good role. Narwal Kabaddi also ringing in the changes, bringing in jersey number 12, Tinku, who has just joined the team.
जी हाँ, टिंकू नए खिलाड़ी हैं जिन्होंने K7 स्टेज अप के सुपर 6 स्टेज पे नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी को ज्वाइन किया है रिंकू की जगह पे। रिंकू जो कि पहले कप्तान थे और वो किसी कारण टीम ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए थे, तो उनके रिप्लेसमेंट में उन्होंने टीम को ज्वाइन किया है। और यहाँ पे मोहित बोनस ले सकते हैं, बोनस ऑन है इस समय पे। लेकिन शानदार फ्लाइंग टच किया यहाँ पे मोहित ने, कॉर्नर की नी पे जाके फ्लाइंग टच किया। और यहाँ पे मंजीत दोबारा से आ गए हैं जर्सी नंबर 10 में, नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी के रेडर।
This looks like a comeback that the Narwal Kabaddi has brought upon themselves. They gave Mohit 5 easy points, did not take a review, and as I speak, their defense comes back in. They need to be able to attack Mohit through and through. Mohit needs to be kept down if the Narwal Kabaddi needs to have any hope, because the Bahini defense is working really well. The Narwal Raiders are not firing. This is a really tight game. We see Nitin coming into raid again. Nitin, I would like to see if Jaydeep attempts that cheeky ankle hold on Nitin again. He's done it twice. Once he's been successful, once Nitin got him and Vikas. Him and Monu. And now you see Vikas making an error. Was there an error or?
No, it was not a touch.
Ooh, that was such an opportunity missed. Nitin should have gotten a back kick on Vikas with him running so close.
उस तरीके के रेड के लिए। और यहाँ पे एक और शानदार टैकल देखता हुआ रणदीप यहाँ पे नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स के एक के बाद एक पॉइंट लेते जा रहे हैं। एक गलती की उन्होंने, उसके बाद लगातार उन्होंने 2 पॉइंट लिए हैं।
See, that is a perfect description of an ankle hold, right? He got the catch on the calf, let his hand slide down into the ankle and held the ankle, got the ankle grip perfectly.
डू और डाई रेड पे हैं इस टाइम पे मंजीत।
If you're a raider against a Bahini defense, you don't want to be going in a do or die raid. This is what I was talking about, a good defense, right? There was a massive error by Jaydeep. He put in the tackle, but what he did is he covered the straight line to the midline. As he blocked it, look at how the right cover, Sachin came in to support his buddy and stop Manjeet. I think a strong defense working together is poetry in motion, Aparna. It's really fun to see a defense of that caliber work together so well. Benny has definitely come out, and compensated for the absence of their star raider Mitu with a really tight defense today. Mohit really understanding his role, planning to play it slow, making sure his defenders continue the lead. We have less than 1 minute to go for halftime. If you're a Narwal Sports, you will want that point, but it was not to be. I like how sentences get cut as you start the conversation.
बिल्कुल सही कहा अरविंद. जिस तरीके से इस टाइम पे भैनी स्कूल का डिफेंस खेल रहा है, उससे ये लग रहा है कि जो उन्होंने शुरुआत में नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी को लीड दी थी, वो बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से वापस उस लीड को लेने वाले हैं. ऑलरेडी लीड बना चुके हैं, लेकिन सेकेंड हाफ में भी वो इस चीज़ को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. लेकिन हमारे लिए इस टाइम पे इम्पॉर्टेंट ये हुआ कि नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी सेकेंड हाफ में किस तरीके से वापस आएंगे. क्या वो इस लीड को ऐसे ही जाने देंगे या वो अपनी स्ट्रैटेजीज बदल कर आएंगे.
Going into the halftime, if you are coach Naresh Narwal of the Narwal Sports and Academy, what should you be telling your players?
मेरी तरफ से तो एक ही सलाह होगी कि अपने डिफेंस को हमें थोड़ा संभाल के खेलना होगा. हमें आगे बढ़कर पॉइंट नहीं देने हैं और रेडिंग में हमें जयदीप से बचकर रहना है. तो जयदीप से बचकर रहने के लिए हमें एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है कि हम लेफ़्ट रेडर को बार बार ना भेजें. और इसी के साथ अगर हम पहले हाफ का सारांश देखें तो अरविंद, जैसे आपने बोला था कि ये रेडर ओरिएंटेड गेम होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे मुझे ये डिफेंडर ओरिएंटेड गेम लग रहा है. 9 पॉइंट लिए हैं भैनी स्कूल ने अटैक में और नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी ने लिए हैं 7 पॉइंट्स. लेकिन डिफेंस में अगर हम बात करें तो 10 पॉइंट लिए हैं डिफेंस ने भैनी स्कूल के और 8 पॉइंट लिए हैं नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी में. मैच के दूसरे हाफ की शुरुआत और नितिन नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी से पहले रेड पर दूसरे हाफ के. नितिन का अब तक का परफॉर्मेंस अगर देखें तो 6 पॉइंट्स ले चुके हैं, लेकिन उसमें 9 रेड में उन्होंने 6 पॉइंट लिए हैं. और उसी के साथ अगर हम डिफेंस की बात करें भैनी स्कूल के, तो अकेले जयदीप ने ही डिफेंस में 6 पॉइंट लिए हैं.
I think Aparna, sometimes when you give points to single defenders, you don't credit the quality of the defense. In this game, I would assign those 6 points equally to Jaideep, Sachin, Monu and Vikash. The combination with which those 4 defenders have worked has been fantastic to see. They've always worked together. And often, when you give these points out to just one defender, you're really undermining the quality of the rest of your defense. Today, if I have to give an award, I will not give it to Jaideep. I will actually give it to the entire Bhaini team. That defense has worked so well together. Look at them, right? Look at them standing there in such perfect formation. You will notice as Sachin moves out, you will still see the right corner staying in, putting the pressure on the raider, not allowing Nitin to attack the cover well. It's very tough for raiders when the opposite defense has both their cover and corner working in close conjunction, right? And that's what you got to see in that previous raid. अब किस्मत देखते हैं.
क्या यहाँ पे किस्मत
का
खेल दिखाएंगे. किस्मत का तो खेल हमें नहीं दिखा, लेकिन डू और डाई रेड में नितिन का हमें ज़रूर देखने को मिलेगा. यहाँ पे बोनस पॉइंट ले सकते हैं अरविंद अगर नितिन यहाँ पे ट्राई करे तो. लेकिन जिस तरीके से डिफेंस आगे बढ़कर खेल रही है, बोनस तो नहीं, लेकिन टच पॉइंट उनको ज़रूर मिला है यहाँ पे.
This was such a rare error from the Bhaini defense, right? Why Sachin went there is just not clear. There wasn't a bonus attempt. There wasn't even a touch attempt. You should have ideally allowed the raider to make his attempt before you did anything. On the other side, Mohit is trying for a takes both corners out. He has not crossed the midline. I don't think the offense has noticed. And he gets those 2 points back immediately. Takes out both corners for the Narwal Sports. Really important moment. Takes out the left corner, the right corner comes into support. You know, it is moments like this which often define the game, right? These corners were really doing a good job pinning Mohit down. An error like that is not an easy one to recover from, unless Manjeet fires right now.
कहीं ना कहीं ये भी हो जाता है कि जब आप 2 बार लगातार एक रेडर पे सक्सेसफुल होते हो तो आपको आपके अंदर से ही होता है कि वो रेडर जब भी आएगा आप उसको ऊपर सक्सेसफुल रहोगे। तो वो चीज़ें भी हमें यहाँ पे इन यंग किड्स में देखने को मिलती हैं कि वो अपने जो उनके जो इंट्यूशंस होते हैं कि मैं पहले 2 बार सक्सेसफुल हुआ हूँ तो मैं बार बार सक्सेसफुल होऊंगा, उस थिंकिंग की वजह से गलती कर देते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पे ये जो सोलो अपर बॉडी टैकल किया है मोहित ने मोहित पे किया है वो बहुत शानदार है। मोहित नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी से और मोहित गोयत भैनी स्कूल के रेडर।
You have to remember the Bhaini school is a school that produced a raider of the quality of Naveen Kumar Goyat. And with the Mohit Goyat, I am expecting to see fireworks of the same quality in the next couple of years. This is a guy to watch out for. He is a future star. And as you watch out for him, you will see, you know, the Kismat, Manjeets of the world trying hard to showcase their own talent on this fantastic platform that is a K7 Kabaddi. Today morning, I heard both Suhail and Padamjeet on air talking about the ability of a platform of this nature to almost be transformational for sport in the country. And that is something we are seeing. We are seeing these players give it their 100%. We are seeing teams come well prepared. We are seeing teams bring in injury replacements very promptly. We are seeing teams put in all the intensity needed for a tournament of this nature.
एग्जैक्टली अरविंद, अगर मैं इन प्लेयर्स की इस जनरली अगर मैं बात करूं इस टाइम पे साल के इस टाइम पे ये लोग कोई टूर्नामेंट नहीं खेलते, लेकिन यहाँ पे मंजीत ने डुबकी के साथ, मंजीत भी नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी के एक बहुत शानदार रेडर है और वो उस एकेडमी में खेलते हैं जहाँ पे डुबकी किंग प्रदीप नरवाल प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। तो उन ऐसे प्लेयर्स के साथ खेलने का, ऐसे प्लेयर्स के साथ ट्रेनिंग लेने का जो रिजल्ट है वो यहाँ पे अपना शोकेस दिखा पा रहे हैं। अपने उन स्किल्स को जो उन्होंने एक्वायर किया है उन प्लेयर्स से वो यहाँ पे दिखा पा रहे हैं।
That multi-point raid was a really valuable one, but at the same time, seeing the Narwal Kabaddi League points, it's quite tough as a coach to react. You know, your raider has just brought you back into the game, and then you have a cover defender giving it up to the substitute Sahil.
कवर के ये जो कवर जो जिस तरीके से पॉइंट्स दे रहे थे, कल जब मेरी नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी के कोच रमेश नरवाल से बात हुई थी, उन्होंने इस चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट किया भी था कि मेरे कवर में एक कवर है जो बार बार पॉइंट दे रहा है और उसको आगे वो इम्प्रूव करेगा। बात वहाँ पे ये हुई थी कि इम्प्रूव करेगा, लेकिन आज यहाँ पे वो इम्प्रूवमेंट अभी तक नज़र नहीं आई है।
That's a very harsh assessment, Aparna. Because it is tough as a cover defender when you have raiders attacking you like that, right? That was beautiful by Mohit. Set it up, just stayed there, waited for the cover to come right up to him and just extended that toe for a perfect toe touch. A really good display of awareness and not giving the corners an opportunity to get into the game at all. Manjeet comes into raid for the Narwal Sports. And Benny, who looked like Manjeet had unsettled them a bit, ready to go into an all-out, is back to 6 players. Manjeet has all the work to do again. Can he keep the intensity up? Can he get another multi-point raid? You need multi-point raids right now if you're the Narwal Sports to inch close to an all-out.
मंजीत का जो गेम है अपनी टीम के लिए वो एक ऐसे रेडर के रूप में जाने जाते हैं जो जब भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो बोनस पॉइंट ज़रूर लेते हैं, लेकिन इस मैच में उन्होंने अभी तक बोनस अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया है।
That is actually very surprising for me to note, Aparna, because I have not seen Manjeet attempt the bonus in this game itself, right? I almost felt that I was about to say that someone like Manjeet needs to bring the bonus into his game as a skill, because otherwise the covers don't need to attack him. As we speak of Manjeet, he's bringing in the tackle points also.
नाउ बीइंग अ कैप्टन, टीम जब जहाँ पे डिफेंस में गलतियाँ कर रही है तो कैप्टन को वहाँ पे स्टेप अप करना होता है और अपने डिफेंस के लिए वो वहाँ पे डिफेंस भी करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। लेकिन नितिन यहाँ पे डू और डाई रेड में डिफेंस को उकसाया और उसके बाद पॉइंट लेकर वापस आए, लेकिन यहाँ पे ऑफिशियल टाइम आउट लिया गया है रेफरी और ऑफिशियल्स के द्वारा।
So this is a very interesting raid. I think the replay will come up now, and one of the most interesting things you will see is that the raider did nothing. See, he made absolutely no attempt. He just ran, and you saw the corner defender run into him. He didn't even touch the raider. It is really a self-out where he ran across the court and went to the other side. One of those.
बट अरविंद, कहीं ना कहीं आप इस चीज़ को ये बोल सकते हैं कि उन्होंने डिफेंस को उकसाया था कि वो डिफेंस उन पर आए। वो भी एक स्किल होता है रेडर का कि आपको पता है सामने वाला डिफेंडर जो है वो हल्के, अगर आप उनको हल्का सा भी लालच देंगे तो वो आपकी तरफ दौड़ता हुआ आएगा, और उन्होंने वही उसी चीज़ का यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल किया, डिफेंडर को उकसाया अपनी तरफ, और जैसे ही डिफेंडर आया वो सिर्फ अपने सेंटर लाइन की तरफ भागे हैं।
I agree, Aparna. Often, people don't credit raiders for the step out that defenders do. There's a lot, most of the step out that you'd see a defender do is under the pressure that the raider has created. And there is this ongoing debate in the Kabaddi community of whether you give the points of a step out to the raider, the defender, or the team. Because when a defender steps out, a large part of that credit should go to the raider who's pushed him. Look at Manjeet, right? Pushing Jaideep back there, and made sure that Jaideep was right at the corner. But Jaideep, of course, being a good defender, had his mark under control. And I think both teams are playing on do or die raids, a really close game. If they can trap Mohit in this do or die, in the next upcoming do or die raid, then this game will have a very interesting turn. But if you are the Narwal Kabaddi, your raiders need to get you points. At this point, I can't see them breaking through a super tackle situation easily, with both Jaideep and Monu on the mat. In fact, Jaideep, Sachin and Monu. So they have three defenders and Mohit on mat. So you know who is going to do all the raids right now.
जब जयदीप यहाँ पे मैट पर मौजूद है तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा तो मुश्किल होगा, लेकिन ये देखिए जिस तरीके से जयदीप ने सामने से आके एंकल पे डाइव लगाई और साथ में डिफेंस का। अरविंद, आपने शुरुआत में ही बोला था कि डिफेंस जो है यहाँ पे अकेला काम नहीं कर रहा है, जयदीप अकेले यहाँ पे काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। पॉइंट हालांकि यहाँ पे जयदीप को मिलेगा, लेकिन पूरा डिफेंस एक साथ मिलके यहाँ पे काम करता हुआ नजर आ रहा है भैनी स्कूल का।
Yes, Aparna. For me, that has been the standout story of this game. Right? I came in thinking this is the contest between Mohit and Manjeet, but it has really been the contest between the Bhaini defense and the Narwal defense. And the Bhaini defense has stood up and been counted. Jaideep has stood up and been counted. But while a lot of these points go to Jaideep, it has been a stellar team effort by the Bhaini school. A lot of credit to their coach for getting such a strong defensive performance out of this gang.
ओह, वेरी नाइस। पहले बोनस अटेम्प्ट किया और जैसे ही बोनस के लिए अंदर गए, रणदीप वहां से सामने से आए, लेकिन रणदीप को लेते के साथ लेकर क्या यहाँ पे बोनस ये सक्सेसफुल था? क्योंकि रेफरी ने तो यहाँ पे बोनस नहीं दिया है।
Definitely did not look like a bonus. It's another one of those raids, Aparna, where you see the raider tempting the defender by attempting a bonus. He didn't even cross the bonus line, made sure it looked like it was a bonus, and the corner came in trying to get his tackle in. It is moments like this. There, that is the bonus you are talking about. Against this Bhaini defense, you cannot try for a bonus unless you have really unsettled the defense. Manjeet has just not done enough. He hadn't unsettled the defense. There. That was a very weak bonus attempt, right? With Jaideep standing right next to him, not being unsettled, you cannot attempt a bonus in front of a defense unless you have moved that defense around a few times. The best exponents of the bonus, Anup Kumar is sitting right here in front watching this, and he would be thinking, there's a reason अनूप कुमार को आप बोनस का बादशाह बुलाते थे. He'll be sitting there saying, भाई बोनस ऐसे नहीं लिया जाता. पहले डिफेंस को हकलाओ, move them around. Don't let them expect it. And I think that's something we have seen Raiders not do enough. I think we should get Anup to do a master class on how to take a bonus.
दैट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया अरविंद. अनूप जब यहाँ पे उनके अकेडमी फ्यूचर फाइटर कबड्डी अकेडमी में जहाँ पे टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है वहाँ पे इन टीम्स के साथ अपना ये मास्टर क्लास तो हम कर ही सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे भैनी स्कूल के किस्मत आ गए हैं रेड पर. आपको मैं एक बात बता दूं, भैनी स्कूल के रेडर अभी किस्मत रेड पर है, लेकिन उससे पहले मोहित जो रेड पर आए थे वो ऑलरेडी अपना सुपर टेनिस मैच का पूरा कर चुके हैं.
In a game where you think it is not dominated by Raiders, having someone like Mohit get 10 points is priceless. It has given his defense the freedom to attack. And as you say, Mohit has got a super 10. You should also be pointing out that Jaideep has earned 8 points for his team. But as we discussed, those 8 points are in conjunction with the entire team. On the other side, one of the biggest challenges you are seeing is that the Narwal Kabaddi defense has not been able to keep bringing in the points.
बट एज यू से कि उनका पॉइंट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं. उन्होंने एक यहाँ पे बहुत ही शानदार टैकल किया है नितिन, जो कि जिन्होंने बोला था कि मैं अपने डिफेंस को इम्प्रूव करूँगा, यहाँ पे एक शानदार टैकल करते हुए नज़र आए 4 के डिफेंस में. और उसी के साथ डू और डाई रेड अभी नितिन रेडर के लिए आ गई है. दोनों ही टीम्स को एक एक पॉइंट मिला है, यानी कि टच नहीं हुआ था और नितिन मैट से बाहर चले गए थे और उनके साथ साथ जयदीप ने भी फॉलो थ्रू किया. जब ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है तो दोनों ही टीम को एक एक पॉइंट दिया जाता है.
This is another rule, Aparna, that requires a lot of consideration, right? Having the raider step into the lobby when he is raiding should ideally be raid over. Now having a defender follow him is just, it's almost criminal. Having someone like Jaideep go to the bench, this was an okay moment, right? You've had only one defender going. I have seen this happen with a raider stepping into the lobby and 3 defenders following him. And it just makes no sense to me. It makes absolutely no sense. It is the rule of the sport and it was honored to the T. But in principle, something of this nature just should not be allowed. You cannot, if the raider steps into the lobby when it is not active, the raider is out. I think it's that simple.
आई रिमेंबर हमारा जो 2 घंटे का लंबा डिस्कशन हुआ था इस रूल के बारे में, जब पहली बार मुझे इस रूल के बारे में पता चला था, जहाँ पे हम सब बैठ के इस रूल को डिस्कस कर रहे थे और वो डिस्कशन कॉफ़ी के साथ इतना लंबा चला था कि हम इस रूल को पूरी तरीके से खुदेड़ चुके थे कि कैसे ये रूल किस तरीके से होना चाहिए और क्यों होना चाहिए.
Very good claim. Kismat makes that claim with that confidence, runs into the lobby. You know, that's the kind of raid which you can never know what has really happened. And the Baini continuing to make their comeback. With Kismat getting that point, Jaideep came back on the mat. And Atehi, they made sure that his corner defender Vikas had the confidence to put in that ankle hold, knowing his covers would come in. And now we have a super tackle opportunity.
सुपर टैकल अपॉर्चुनिटी मतलब 3 या 3 से कम का डिफेंस जब हो और रेडर वहाँ पे रेड करने आए, अगर उस समय पे सुपर टैकल होता है तो डिफेंस को 2 पॉइंट दिए जाते हैं उस टैकल को करने के लिए. लेकिन यहाँ मोहित गोयत इस सिचुएशन में खाली हाथ वापस जा रहे हैं.
I think this is Randeep's first raid of the mat. They are clearly playing this for the do or die. And Bhaini, of course, will slow the game down. And Narwal Sports will definitely try to hasten the game. They need the 6 points. Remember, we continue to have the pool standings. A win with a margin of 5 or lesser points gives the winning team only 3 points and not 4. So if you are the Bhaini school, you want to maintain this margin. You don't want the Narwal Sports to catch up. But if you're Narwal Sports, you want to push this. There is enough time still left in this game. Randeep putting in his second raid of the game. And I think we have a do or die raid coming up.
बिल्कुल सही। और डू और डाई रेड सुपर टैकल सिचुएशन, अगर यहाँ पे मोहित पॉइंट नहीं ले पाते हैं तो बहुत ही करीब है, सेंटर लाइन के बहुत ही करीब है। और जिस तरीके से यहाँ पे डिफेंस ने ये सुपर टैकल किया, मोहित के अंदर आते ही, मोहित एक ऐसे रेडर है जो क्विकली अंदर जाते हैं, पॉइंट लेते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे जिस तरीके से एक एंकल पे, एक थाई पे और तीसरे डिफेंडर सामने से आके उनको टैकल करके आए हैं। लेकिन देखिए इस टैकल के साथ यहाँ पे मंजीत मैट पर आ चुके हैं।
That is the power of that tackle, Aparna. Not only did Manjeet come, they got their 2 points of the super tackle. And you know, Manjeet is now attacking a defense of 6 players. So he should be able to push for the bonus. Looks like he's attempted the bonus. This is where you have retained that review for. You have the team calling for a review. Manjeet is confident that he has the bonus. His team is confident he has the bonus. And you have the team claiming for a bonus. I think the review is quite clear. And we have the replay coming up. Manjeet makes a bonus attempt. It doesn't look like a bonus to me. It seems like a very poorly taken bonus. But you know, we might want to see it once more, maybe even slower. Maybe a little slower. I think we have a lot of work going ahead. Making an attempt. Ooh, that's close. That looks close. From that angle, you can't see his leading leg. I think the referees got that decision right. I don't think there's a bonus there. Another attempt with another angle. His leading leg definitely crosses. That's a really tough call for the referees. Very good decision making under pressure from the referees on the mat. That was a really, really close call. I think you had both teams going. Need to look at all the reviews. I'm really happy we have this review tech in place for the Super 6, Aparna.
ऑफ कोर्स। और एक और बार वही सिचुएशन है जहाँ पे वही 3 डिफेंडर है जिन्होंने अभी मोहित को सुपर टैकल किया था, और एक और बार मोहित यहाँ पे मैदान में। लेकिन क्योंकि टाइम बहुत कम बचा है, क्या यहाँ पे मोहित अटेम्प्ट करेंगे पॉइंट लेने का?
See, if you were the Narwal Sports and you got that bonus point, you would not have been as happy, because now they have the opportunity to get another 2 points. So losing that bonus is not such a real loss if they can get in the super tackle. Getting a super tackle right now will also mean that they get that 2 points. They have the 5 points difference they need. They can take away 1 point from this game. But if you're the Behni school, would you try for that win? If you're Mohit, I think you have to try for the win, Aparna. You can win by a margin of more than 5. You can make sure that the Narwal doesn't get that extra point. I think the team isn't taking that call right now. They have run down the clock. No, they haven't. There is a little bit of time left.
बहुत ही सही समय पे इस बहनी स्कूल ने यहाँ पे टाइम आउट लिया है, जहाँ पे उनकी टीम डू और डाई रेड के लिए जाने वाली है और सामने सुपर टैकल सिचुएशन है। इस टाइम पर बहनी स्कूल के कोच जगबीर जी वो अपनी टीम को टैक्टिक्स बताते हुए कि स्ट्रैटेजीज़ कैसे बदलनी है, और वहीं दूसरी तरफ रमेश नरवाल अपनी टीम के डिफेंस को स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हुए कि किस तरीके से यहाँ पे कौन जब रेडर आएगा तो किस रेडर के लिए किस तरीके से आपको डिफेंस करना है।
देखो, this is clearly a moment that can define this game. If Mohit can get a point and come back, this is a game in the bag. But if they get the 2 points, they will be just 3 points away from the Behni school. They will believe that they can make this game. They will believe that they can even win the game. But we have seen Mohit to be a raider of absolute intelligence. He is not going to go in deep. He's not going to give it up. He's not going to give them time. He's making that effort. Oh, he's just going. Oh, that definitely has to be the raid of the match. It almost looked like the Narwal Kabaddi had it all in control. Time was ending, and look at how Mohit went there. He went there, dodged, brought the defender to block him, and then went through the other side. That that is where Aparna that timeout really worked. Mohit was very aware that he will let that raid run into its last seconds. And when you reach the last seconds, it is the person who blinks first who misses it out. And at that point, it was clearly the defense that blinked first. Mohit went in, he pushed the boundaries of that raid, he really went hard at it. And the sudden 10-point lead is really not reflective of how close this game was. You know, if you're Narwal Sports, you will end this game a little sad thinking, oh my God, I lost by such a big margin. But the reality is this game could have easily been a 3-point margin game. And that is the beauty of Kabaddi, right? It's always a game of small margins. And it is the key moments that you have to win. And you know, a player of the caliber of Mohit understands that. He is there at the big moments. He turns it on. Now, will the Narwal Sports not give him a... Oh, they allowed him to cross the balk line. This is one of those raids where they had to attack him. They should not have given him the balk line. They're behind by 9. Getting that 1 point would have taken them behind by 7. And then another bonus would have gotten them back down to 6. You know, trying for that 5-point deficit is really important, I think.
यस ऑफ कोर्स कि वो 5 पॉइंट अगर उनका जो डिफरेंस है अगर वो कम हो जाए. यहाँ रेडर जैसे ही विकास ने एंकल होल्ड दिया, रेडर ने दम तोड़ दिया. इस समय पे नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी गेम को खुद से ही सामने वाली टीम को देती हुई नज़र आ रही है. उनको पता है कि डिफरेंस ज़्यादा है, लेकिन वो ट्राई भी नहीं कर रही है आखिरी सेकंड्स में. किस्मत की आखिरी रेड. और इसी के साथ मैच की समाप्ति. भैनी स्कूल 38 पॉइंट्स के साथ, नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी 28 पॉइंट्स के साथ. भैनी स्कूल ने 10 पॉइंट की लीड के साथ ये मैच अपने नाम कर लिया है. और आज का दूसरा सुपर 6 के दूसरे विजेता हमारे पास आ चुके हैं, भैनी स्कूल.
If you're a naysayer, Aparna, you would see both games today have been won by the Pool A teams yet. So the momentum argument doesn't seem to be working very well. But I think the Bhaini team was the better defensive unit. And you would really think, like you argued, that a good defense really needs momentum. And the Narwal Kabaddi came in with good defense. But they lost a few key moments. Mohit really stepped it up in that all-out raid that happened just with under 2 minutes to go. And as you can see, it is the raid points that is separating the two teams.
बिल्कुल सही. 18 पॉइंट लिए हैं भैनी स्कूल ने रेडिंग में, और वहीं 12 पॉइंट लिए हैं नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी ने रेडिंग में. लेकिन अगर डिफेंस की बात करें तो टैकल पॉइंट्स में 15 टैकल पॉइंट्स लिए हैं भैनी स्कूल ने, और 13 टैकल पॉइंट्स लिए हैं नरवाल कबड्डी एंड स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी ने. तो देखना ना भूलिए अगला मैच परवीन एंड जसवीर एकेडमी वर्सेस AAA एकेडमी. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.